nobody tell you what you can't do. You hear me? Nobody. This wig was old, untangled, and needed the trash. But I took a little time and rehabbed this synthetic wig. Okay? Got me a new part and a new edge. So don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. Okay, boo? So I'm about to try to bring this dead synthetic wig back to life. I just put it on the mannequin head, put the T-pins through it on top, and I'm going to start working. Now the things that I'll be using is this, which some duck clips just in case I need it, and yeah, just stay tuned for the process. Flat iron this down and get some of these straggling edges on the side. And then these hair that I cut out, basically I'm going to cut out a new hairline. Up against here, just cut out a new hairline. I'll show you guys how I do that. Let me use a T-pin. So basically you can comb this hair back, which will help you. You can even, if I really wanted to, I can even cut this into a bob, but I'm not. I'm gonna use the length because I'm not a short hair type of person. I know some people do. So yep, I use the 2 pins on the side. I retrace where I want this. I put the T-pins on the side to hold it down. And what I'm going to do is I am going to first cut along these edges. And then I'm going to hot comb it down. I just want to lay it flat as possible. Not too much direct heat. But lay it down enough that I'm using. So now I placed it down, the wig, on the edge. Do you see how clean and cute that look? How neat that look? And all I did was cut off the edges that had the buildup on it, and I just laid it down. And you can't even see really where I put on the black cap. Long as you do not put it down on your edges, you are great. So look what I got. So I will be using it. So So let me just show you the eyes, okay? Let's see that. Thank you, Candy. And who says you cannot rehab a synthetic wig and bring it back to life? Because I just did. Yes, $30, $20, $15 synthetic wig can be rehabbed back to life. As you can see, I showed you the trick. All you have to do is just have a little time and patience, and baby, your synthetic wig is back to life, back to reality.